What does the prefix hypers mean? Hyper means excessive or above normal, as in hypertension. The term cardiomegaly refers to cardio refers to the heart, and megaly means enlargement, so cardiomegaly means an enlarged heart. What does the suffix alga indicate? Algia refers to pain, as in neuralgia, nerve pain, or myalgia, muscle pain. The term hepatitis means Hepat refers to the liver, and its means inflammation, so hepatitis is inflammation of the liver. Which of the following terms refers to the surgical removal of the stomach? Ectomy means surgical removal, so gastrectomy refers to the surgical removal of the stomach. What does the suffix stomy mean? Stomy refers to creating an artificial opening, as in colostomy. What does the prefix Brady mean? Brady means slow, as in bradycardia. The term osteoporosis refers to osteo refers to bones, and porosis means porous or weakened, so osteoporosis is a condition of weakened bones. The term nephrectomy means nepher refers to the kidney, and ectomy means removal, so nephrectomy means kidney removal. What does the suffix emia indicate? Anemia refers to a blood condition, as in anemia or leukemia. I hope this video helped you prepare for your CPC exam. Don't forget to tune in for more mock questions. Let me know in the comments which topics or code series you'd like to focus on next. Let's study together and pass this exam. Remember, success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. Keep going, and I'll see you in the next one.